even if we look at the opposition charge, which is that CAA will give citizenship to persecuted minorities, NRC will ensure that those who are illegal immigrants in India, illegally settled here, will suddenly be in no man's land because they can't become Indian citizens, can't have Aadhaar card, can't benefit from any government scheme, and therefore they will then be stuck. Most people who are watching this broadcast at this time will say, why does Mamta Banerjee have sympathy towards these illegal immigrants? If these people from Bangladesh, from other countries have entered India illegally, why should we tolerate them? I mean, America doesn't have a situation where any Mexican can come in or any Latin American can come into India. Why should these people be allowed into India? And is the Mamta Banerjee government showing sympathy towards them because they largely vote for you and are one of the reasons why you are in power in West Bengal? If they were to be sent back or if action were to be taken, most people who are watching at this time would frankly say, yes, we don't want these illegal immigrants. If they are persecuted, if it's a different matter. If they are not persecuted and if they're just coming in, I mean, please stay in Myanmar or stay in Bangladesh. Why come to India?
Exactly.
Tasifur?
Have you, Rahul?
I can't believe you didn't hear my question.
No. It was just breaking a little bit. Can I just can I hear the last part what you said?
Sir, my question is this, that if you ask most people who are watching this broadcast, they would say, is Mamta Banerjee worried about these illegal immigrants because they largely vote for the Trinamool? Because it's been a long running practice that local leaders help them get some kind of Indian certification, they stay back, they vote for the Trinamool. Most people would say if they are illegally in our country, why should we accept them? If they have no problem in their country, it's not like they're being persecuted. If they have no problem in their country, why should we accept them? Mexico is not allowed to send any number of Mexicans into America. America has very strong rules about who can come in and who can't. Why should India have this open door towards any illegal immigrant who wants to come into India?
Now, this is what we want to clarify. That will this law will ask the minorities to leave from here, or the prosecuted minorities, or the people staying before 2014 will be asked to leave India, yes or no? We want to know the laws, we want to know the implication, how they want to do it. And when they are talking कि नहीं भैया 2014 के बाद से जो भी यहाँ पर आया
December 19
December 19 जो भी आएगा हम उनको वो दे दें. So there is a kind of hypocrisy. You want to charge Mamta Banerjee government that she wants to save the people.
No, why are you sympathetic towards these illegal immigrants? Why should I welcome them? They're on my land, in my country. We already are the world's most populated country. Why should we open our door to illegal immigrants?
Even the Bhajpa, if you see, the Bhajpa got 18 seats in West Bengal. Where was Bhajpa when they wanted the vote from those illegal immigrants? I'm not diverting the issue. You have a valid point. Now they say कि हमारे जितने भी लोग बाहर से आए हम उनको धक्का मार के नहीं भगाने वाले. We want to save them. I mean, if in that case, who did the development of Matua Thakur Bari? We did it. Who has built the college and the universities? Yes, we did it. Our government has done. No one else.
No, you're not answering my question, Mohammad Tasifur. It's almost as if you're not understanding or pretending not to understand what I'm saying. I'm saying, why are you sympathetic towards these illegal immigrants? Why is your heart bleeding for them?
No. See, these illegal immigrants are coming after 2011, after the TMC government arrived in West Bengal, or they are staying here since 1947. Who are these people? You need to rectify them, Rahul. Even we have some questions how to rectify them. We have the refugees colony as well. So, are you going to say that these refugees came after 2011? Or they are here staying since 1947 or 1965
or 71? No, but why are you confusing the matter? The government's notification says that those who've come before December 31, 2019, those who are Indian citizens will stay Indian citizens. For those who've come after, why are you confusing this?
No, I'm not confusing. Let the implications begin and we'll see to it. We are not running behind. We are not running backwards. That no, we are not going to. Whatever the thing is has to be clear with black and white.
Okay. So now the next question, Sanju Verma, really is this, which is what it comes down to. Okay, so once CAA plus NRC is implemented, in every state you'll have a certain number of people. In states like Bengal, it will be running into the millions potentially, who are illegal. Ab inka karna kya hai? Their charge is, because they are from the minority, you will say send them back to Bangladesh. Bangladesh's government, even though it's friendly towards us, will not take these citizens back, saying, boss, they're your citizens, you can't send them back. And therefore, they will become in no man's land, and therefore, even if they aren't persecuted now, they will feel persecuted later. And because they are from the minority community, that's what you want, because it suits, because the opposite suits the Trinamool, this suits you, which is why you're doing it. Respond to this concern.
You know, Rahul, that's a very nice question, and I want to bring out one very important nuance here in the entire debate. You know, as you rightly said, the threshold cutoff date for implementing CAA is those who entered India prior to 31st December 2014. And I'm talking of persecuted religious minorities. Now, if you notice very carefully, who are the persecuted minorities? Basically, 2011 ke dauran, during the Mahakumbh and Kumbh Mela, many Hindus from Pakistan came and they settled outskirts of Delhi ke aspas, Majnu ka Tila, which is where most of the migrants are living. But remember one thing, these are not illegal migrants because they came on a visa and then they never went back to Pakistan and settled down here. Now, prior to Taliban taking over Afghanistan, somewhere in 2012-13, persecuted Hindus and Parsis from Afghanistan came and settled.
No, you are not answering my question, Sanju Verma. No, but please come to my question, because I also have a second debate to go to. There will be a certain number of people who will be identified as illegal migrants. What is your government's plan for those illegal migrants? Iska jawab do na.
उसी पे जवाब दे रही हूँ भाई साहब. All I'm saying is कि यदि आप वीजा के साथ किसी लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट के साथ इंडिया आए थे, पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश या अफगानिस्तान से, पर वापस नहीं गए, then you will be granted citizenship. But यदि आप एक illegal रोहिंग्या हो, you just came in, you know, without any valid documentation, then India is not a signatory to the United Nations.
No, so what happens to them? Because Myanmar won't take them back, Bangladesh will not take them back, whatever number it is.
ये कहाँ लिखा है कि बांग्लादेश उनको नहीं लेगा, म्यांमार नहीं लेगा?
We've spoken to the Bangladesh government. Ma'am, the Bangladesh government has made quite clear, madam, the Bangladesh government has made quite clear that it doesn't accept them as Bangladeshi citizens.
What are you trying to tell me? That the government should mollycoddle illegal Rohingyas? वो नहीं होगा. ये
नहीं तो कहाँ जाएंगे?
आप लोगों के शो पर कहा है.
Ma'am, but where will they go? Okay, no, please, just one second. Let's try and talk rationality here. You've identified these people as being illegal, okay?
Screaming repeatedly when I'm talking.
Ma'am, we've identified a certain number of people as being illegally in India. The Bangladeshi government won't take them back. The Myanmarese government won't take them back. My question is, what will you do with them?
That is what I'm coming to. Wait. So now we have made a distinction between valid migrants who came on a valid visa but did not go back, versus Rohingyas who came to India without any valid documentation. These are illegal migrants. These are not persecuted minorities. These are not refugees. They will be sent back. How they will be sent back, whether there will be some kind of a bilateral agreement with Bangladesh or with Myanmar, that we have to see.